guys, Kaden here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did two different type of wings on hooded eyes. So if you want to see how I achieved these, then just keep on watching. So all that you'll need is just a black liner. It could be gel, liquid, whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hold the brush horizontal on the center, in the center of my eye, and then just drag it. Go ahead and draw a line out. Now we are going to just go ahead and draw a straight line to connect the end of that line to the upper lash line and just fill that in. So now I'm going to connect the inner part to the halfway mark, and then I'm going to be doing that by using some short strokes. Make sure when you're doing this you are looking down so it's easier to work with. Now I'm going to be moving on to my second wing, which is going to be a thin and longer one. So as you can see, I start from the center again, then extend the wing out from the edge, and then fill in that, connect it to the upper lid, and then fill that triangle in. And then I'm going to just continue working on the wing until it is my desired length and thickness. Here you go guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.